Let me say something most people won't tell you. If building a business feels exhausting, if it feels like you're always busy but never free, if it feels like the business is feeding on you instead of feeding you, you're not doing it wrong. You're just doing it the way everyone else does. And that's the problem. Most businesses don't fail because they don't make money. They fail because they drain the person running them. Burnout doesn't happen suddenly. It happens quietly, while you're grinding. And here's the part you don't want to miss. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the single shift that turns a business from something that consumes you into something that actually pays you back. Miss that part, and you'll keep repeating the same cycle with every new idea. So stay with me, because this isn't about working harder. It's about building something that works for you, without burning you out. Let's be real for a moment. Most people start businesses thinking freedom means no limits, no stress, and a big paycheck tomorrow. Spoiler alert, that's not how it works. By the end of this video, you'll understand the exact mindset and structure that allows a business to work for you, not the other way around. Stick around, because the last part holds the secret that most entrepreneurs never discover until it's too late. You see Sticks watching quietly as the business world moves around him. He's not learning this lesson. He's witnessing it. The first truth is simple. Systems over hustle. A business without systems is just a job that never ends. Meetings, emails, deliveries, chaos. If you don't have repeatable processes, your time is tied to tasks that don't scale. Next, focus on value, not volume. Many entrepreneurs chase every opportunity, every trend, thinking more is better. But more often equals exhaustion. Sticks sees it. People spread themselves thin, burning out on minor details, while ignoring the core work that actually generates profit. The third truth: delegate, automate, repeat. You can't do everything, not even close. The sooner you hand off repetitive tasks, the sooner your business can grow without wearing you down. This is where the magic happens. People buy your system, not your sweat. Fourth, understand the rhythm of revenue. Consistent, predictable income beats flashy spikes. A business that pays you back doesn't chase shiny objects. It builds recurring value, whether through subscriptions, memberships, or repeat customers. Sticks watches as owners obsessed with one-time wins collapse from stress. The system-driven ones thrive quietly. Finally, the secret most entrepreneurs miss: your energy is an asset. If you trade all your energy for short-term gain, your business will always own you. The real win? Build a structure that multiplies your effort. Let systems, processes, and a loyal team amplify what you do. Sticks leans back, observing, not learning, just showing you what happens when you treat a business like a machine, not a grind. Do this, and you create a business that works, a life that scales, and time that you actually own. Stay consistent, focus on systems, guard your energy. And if you want the full blueprint on avoiding burnout while growing profit, my next video will break it all down, step by step, from chaos to calm cash flow. See you there!